Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the Cricket Coliseum, we bore witness to an edge-of-the-seat escapade, the two-run triumph. EMW and NC clashed in a spectacle where each run and wicket wrote a story of nerve and verve.
Against the backdrop of anticipation and buzzing crowds, the duel between EMW and NC unfolded, promising a cricketing narrative embroidered with drama and delight.
Hats off to the sponsors who laid the pitch for today's thriller. Without them, this tapestry of tussles and triumphs would not have been possible.
Let us give a cheer for Top Cricket Store making the game we love accessible, SMK Global for their wellness tonics boosting our vigor, and North Jersey Youth Cricket Academy for nurturing the cricketers of tomorrow. They have all batted for excellence today.
The battle commenced with EMW wielding the willow first after winning the toss, their innings a saga of resilience. It was a chess match where each move by NC's bowlers, especially Patel, mattered. The top partnership glimmered briefly before the fall.
NC's reply was a gripping script of close calls and nearly their moments. EMW's bowlers, with Iyengar at the helm, scripted a tale of precision. It was their ability to induce errors and capitalize on pressure that steered the narrative of the innings.
EMW's innings was a narrative of gritty stands and a few flourishes by Shripati and Patel, constructing the innings with a 46-run partnership that would later prove golden.
NC's bowlers, led by the scintillating Patel, wove a web of discipline, claiming crucial wickets, yet it was the partnerships that kept EMW's score ticking.
NC's chase was a rollercoaster ride, with Sharma and Agashe stitching a threatening partnership that brought them to the brink of victory.
It was the spellbinding bowling display, particularly by Iyengar and Chiluka, which created a taut narrative of wickets and dot balls that ultimately decided the match climax.
Patel, with his 4-wicket haul, Shripati with a pivotal 36, and Iyengar, with a 3-wicket salvo, emerged as the architects of today's drama.
These maestros pulled the strings, with Patel's wizardry, Shripati's resilience, and Iyengar's guile weaving the outcome of this edge-of-the-seat escapade.
EMW emerged victorious by a slender margin of 2 runs, where strategy, patience, and moments of brilliance combined to etch their triumph.
A heart-stopping finish indeed, with EMW clinching a nail-biter that left fans breathless. The slim gap in runs only intensified the thrill. As the dust settles on this cricketing odyssey, we reflect on a match that, like a well-crafted novel, had its twists, turns, and eventual climax.
As we close the chapter on this pulsating encounter, it's the story of a 2-run margin that will reverberate in the annals of both teams, leaving fans yearning for more such tales.